So the Headshot Station is sponsored by the Farmer's Dog, which is based out of New York City. This is a job fair where Farmer's Dog is hiring. So we're at the Vet Show New York, Closest Stills production. The Farmer's Dog is the sponsor of the Headshot Station. They made this big banner. We're hiring, and then what we do is, first place you go right to the sign-in thing. iPad with the keyboard. I learned that when I went to Reno. So the keyboard is faster than people typing on the iPad. This is my little tabletop setup. And we have the Manfrotto conversion stand that I have a Pavel Slim at full power at 4500 Kelvin, a Manfrotto backdrop. So this is a pop-up backdrop that fits in a little bag. And then we have this new foot thing that's I'll tape down once I get to the main show. Tape down the paper. We have a Nanlite Pavel Slim 120C, which is on this side. And we have the Pavel Slim 240 on this side, which is the main light. Absolutely perfect. Studio Titan, proudly made in South Korea stand. I rolled this stand from the main trade show pretty handily. It was pretty easy roll. You just have to watch out for the ceiling. I did request a taller pole, which I'll use the taller pole in the big trade show with no height restrictions. This is by RoboCup, the new orange, which I can put in big bottles. I'll have my Gatorade in here and my water in here. This will be cleaned up. I won't have all these cables. These are 12 to 16 pound Manfrotto weights, which keep the whole thing stationary. The Studio Titan, made in South Korea. These are the grips that are longer ones. I requested longer ones. And this is the short extension. And they also make a big extension, which I want 2 big extensions for the next time because they're so popular, they're back ordered. So I'll get the big extension so I can get the main light off a little bit. But so far the images have come out really nice. This is a guy named Tim. He had phenomenal eyes. And I'm controlling all the lights from the Nanlite amp. And lastly, this is the Sony A7R5 with a South Korean Bumblebee by Gentry battery. This is powering the Atomos Ninja. This is powering the Atomos Ninja A7R5 with blinkies on, so I know that the background's overexposed, but if I see blinkies on subjects or on people having the headshot. This is by Cambo PCH, my favorite gearhead. So this is gearhead by Cambo, very fast, makes fast adjustments, don't have to worry about it. And I'm using the Sony remote. So this is the all-in-one rolling stand that I'm going to be using at the big show, which starts tomorrow. This is a hiring show mixer. So, and I'm recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is amazing, which has the Mic 2 on it. So this is pretty phenomenal.